What's going on, guys? It's your boy Bullshit Villain, and we're back with another one. And right now, I'm waiting for my Uber to come through so I could go pick up the Tesla Model 3 from a customer. And this is a day in the life of a small Turo fleet, a small one. We only got about 5 to 6 cars. This one just came back. It was out for a whole month, so we got to get the tire pressure adjusted, and we might have to get an oil change, and we might have to change the front tire because it's looking kind of bald. But right now, we're not worrying about this shit right now. I'm waiting for my Uber to come get me so we can go get the fucking Tesla. So we just got a notification that the Uber gonna be here in like less than 10 minutes. So we're just waiting. In the meantime, let's do some fucking shadow boxing, man. Let's go. All right, guys, so we got the motherfucking Tesla. We're about to hop in right now. We're gonna do a small inspection, make sure everything is good, and it seems like everything is in good condition. So let's go. We in a fucking Tesla right now. I'm going to the Easy Pass office so I could try to link my account directly with Turo, so when somebody booked the car, whenever they use the Easy Pass, they get charged automatically. So we're going there right now. We got a good 8-minute drive, so let's go. But these cars, man, these Teslas, they drive so nice, man, and they so smooth, bro. I don't know why people still hate on Elon Musk, man. It's a good car. I mean, it's the inside of it is not like, you can tell that it's not perfect, but when it comes to speed and it's just something different, you know? The line was way too long, man. I could not wait. But it seems like even this fucking car, they have a small leak on the tire pressure. So I'm gonna go check it out and see if I can plug it or if we have to change the tire for this Tesla also. But right now, I'm gonna take this car back to the garage and see what happens. Let's go. Don't try to drive like me, bro. And if I'm driving like an asshole, if you don't like it, I don't care, bro. Alright, so don't try to drive like me because you end up crashing. So I went to AutoZone and get this little tire pressure repair kit. And somebody just booked the car. So we literally have a booking in 3 hours. So we have to go charge up and we have to fix the tire pressure. You gonna stop, nigga? Yeah, so we're about to do that now and get the car ready for the next trip, man. Ain't no stopping. So guys, I was gonna plug the tire myself, but unfortunately one of my boys was working on the driveway, so we took it to the tire shop and we're getting it done right now. Right after this, we about to go get it charged up. Crazy shit, guys. We just ran into a fucking McLaren. That's crazy. We're gonna follow this motherfucker. He came from Texas. But this shit look nice, man. This shit look nice and it sound nice. Hey, who knows? Maybe one day we get one. So guys, we're on 40%. I still didn't get a chance to fucking charge the fucking Tesla because the Ford Edge just got booked. We have a 2021 Ford Edge that just got booked, and I gotta bring the key to the customer. I gotta bring the key to the customer right now as we speak, and he's like 5-7 minutes away. So we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna have to go back to the charging station so we can get this shit ready for 3:30. There's so much work to do. All right, so the customer is picking up the car right now. That's the Ford Edge. And right now, we gotta go charge this shit for 3:30. It's 1:32 right now. We have about a couple hours. Let's get into it. We're pulling up at the charging station right now. Finally, can get a fucking break. But we only have like five to 6 cars right now. So imagine when I have 20 cars, bro. I might have to hire somebody. What the fuck? Yo, these fucking chargers not working. What's going on? Here we go. Okay, somebody pulling out right now. So we have a couple options. Should be good. Look at this red one, man. Every time I see this red Tesla, kind of makes me want to get one. It's pretty nice. So I finally get to take a fucking break. But check this out. Is that a Z06? This shit looks super nice. If we get one of these, we can't put it on Turo because we know niggas gonna abuse it. Super, super clean. I fuck with this. All right, guys, we are at 86%, which should be enough. So we're done, man. We finished. This car looked pretty clean. I don't have to wash it. So there's still a lot more to do, guys, but I don't want to make this shit too long. But this is what it's like to run 5 to 6 cars on Turo. It is exhausting, but there is definitely a lot of potential in it. So, with all that being said, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, boosted_villain. Follow me on Instagram. See you on the next one.